What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best gaming PCs under $1,000 in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. For all you folks who want to save some money and still treat yourself a product of solid quality, we especially highlight the HP Pavilion, also known as the best budget gaming PC under $1,000 on the market in 2022. HP has opted for a modern and compact case design, not as fancy or dazzling as some of the gaming hardware these days, but still with quality features way beyond its price range. The front panel is slightly raised in the middle and has a V-shaped pattern. There's no optical drive, but you will immediately notice the line of ports in the lower right corner, a surprisingly comprehensive selection consisting of 3.5 combined audio millimeter port, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 1 ports, 2 USB 3.1 Gen 2 ports, 1 SD card slot, and 1 USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type-C port. The power button has a green LED, and the laptop comes with the configuration of Intel Core i3-10100, 256GB SSD, as well as 8GB of RAM, which should be more than enough for gaming and content creation, as well as overall productivity. Furthermore, thanks to the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super graphics, you'll enjoy fast performance, which is especially pleasing to gamers. HP pre-installs Windows 10 Home and Microsoft Office Home and Student, which is not subscription-based, and therefore will not drive any additional costs. A dedicated graphics card ensures that the machine easily executes your favorite games, which is one of the key features here. Furthermore, if you want the experience of connecting to multiple devices, don't worry, because the MU-MIMO router will allow you to do so without any problems. The HP Pavilion gaming PC is ideal for 2-screen support and comes with a 1-year hardware warranty. The main advantages many users point out are the compact design, as well as, of course, top-notch value for money. The HP Pavilion gaming desktop package comes in the size of 13.28 by 12.09 by 6.12 inches, while it weighs 13.14 pounds. For the listed price, we are thoroughly impressed. If you're looking for the best value gaming PC under $1,000 in 2022, look no further than the Skytech Blaze 2 gaming PC for you. This device beats most budget gaming laptops with ease. This Blaze 2 configuration offers a good set of hardware at a price. It comes with an Intel Core i3-10105F processor, NVIDIA GTX 1650 graphics card, 8GB of memory, and 500GB SSD. The processor can be overclocked to 4.2 GHz, and when combined with the GTX 1660, it can easily handle 60 to 100 FPS with most AAA games on the market at medium to high settings. Even when it comes to games that require a strong CPU, like the Arma 3, this model can deliver 60+ frames per second in multiplayer scenes with just a few tweaks. However, you can't always rely on pre-built settings focusing on every detail. The Blaze 2 gaming PC boasts a pretty good cooling capability, thanks to its new specially designed for fans. Other than that, whether you want to run World of Warcraft, Call of Duty Warzone, Escape from Tarkov, League of Legends, Valorant, or any other popular game, Skytech Blaze 2 gaming PC will run smoothly, thanks to its powerful processor and graphics card. Also included in the mix is RGB lighting with software and remote control, as well as a design specifically designed for online sessions and competitions. If you're streaming, don't worry, because the Skytech Blaze 2 gaming PC will give you a really high frame rate and a completely smooth experience while playing live. We must not forget another great addition, and that is the Turing GPU architecture, which allows you to enjoy more complex scenes without spending more energy. The Skytech Blaze 2 gaming PC features a medium-sized tower to be compatible with most setups. Finally, it should be noted that this gaming PC comes in a package measuring 19.75 by 18 by 11.5 inches, while its weight is 22 pounds. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're looking for a PC that'll provide you with top performance, look no further than the AV GPC Hellfire 2 gaming PC, the best performance gaming PC under $1,000 on the 2022 market. Even though you don't get the very best components and specifications available today, you still get a shockingly outstanding performance at this. If you want to play games in 1080p resolution, don't worry, because it is absolutely possible with this PC without any problems. You'll receive an AMD Ryzen 5 5600G at your disposal, which will give you great performance while playing. The processor has 6 cores and 12 threads that'll allow you to run at 3.9 GHz. Next, we have a CPU that works combined with the NVIDIA RTX 3050 to deliver a great gaming experience at 1080p. The AVG PC Hellfire 2 gaming PC comes with a 500GB SSD, as well as a 16GB RAM. This configuration will give you good enough performance to enjoy almost all the games you want. The AVG PC Hellfire 2 gaming PC also boasts a sleek, stylish design, specially designed with a window facing the table, RGB lighting, and a quality casing. As for the cooling system, this PC also has something to boast about here. It comes with a built-in Dual liquid cooler with fans, which will give users the opportunity to play long sessions without warming up, while boasting quiet operation. Furthermore, it supports Wi-Fi AC networking and works with Windows 10. The mouse and keyboard for Windows 10 are included in the package, which is another advantage that users point out. Also, we must not forget to note the free lifetime support, as well as the 1-year warranty. The AVG PC Hellfire 2 gaming computer weighs 32.1 pounds, while its dimensions are 25 by 24 by 14.2 inches. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Up next, we present the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC, which justifiably won the title of runner-up Best Gaming PC under $1,000 on the market in 2022. The most important feature of this system must be its unbeatable price for performance. We're looking at a machine with full VR and RTX compatibility, which will give you the advantage you need to either play games or mine small-scale cryptocurrencies. With the 11th generation Core i5 with 6 cores and RTX 2060 GPU, you'll enjoy 1440p games at high to ultra settings. This processor allows supports overclocking up to 4.40 GHz. It also offers hardware air monitoring and support for DLSS upscaling on compatible tiles, making even sharp 4K output possible. We expect that more and more new titles will be added by DLSS in the coming years, which is great. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC comes with an onboard mouse and gaming keyboard. By adding another 8 GB of RAM, this system would be perfect for the money. The only drawback is that Intel-based systems don't offer much in the way of future CPU upgrades. However, when this CPU can no longer cope with the demands of modern gaming, you'll want to replace your system anyway. This setting allows you to play titles like Assassin's Creed Odyssey, Red Dead Redemption 2, and Borderlands 3 at up to 60 frames per second at 1080p, and games like Hitman 2, Death Stranding, Assassin's Creed Origin at up to 70 frames at 1440p. It is clear that this computer is good at playing games in FHD resolution, and you can even play the most popular titles of games in QHD with a decent number of frames. In addition to the gameplay, this model's appearance is quite attractive thanks to the 3 RGB fans at the front and one at the rear that can be displayed through the tempered glass panel on the left. Lastly, the CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR Gaming PC comes in the size of 18.8 by 8.2 by 18.6 inches, while it weighs 30 pounds. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Finally, after all the carefully summarized reviews, opinions, and experiences, we have come to a unanimous conclusion that Skytech Shadow Gaming PC is the best overall gaming PC under $1,000 available on the market in 2022. Get ready to download your favorite games, because this desktop is designed for gamers who want to play in 1080p or 1440p. If you go 1080p, it'll generally deliver 144 Hz across the board, even with ultra settings most of the time. Going with a high resolution of 1440p means you may not reach 144 Hz on the Ultra, but adjusting a few settings should easily provide at least 60 frames per second. Just like the previous version, this pre-built PC also runs an AMD Ryzen 1200 4-core processor clocked at 3.1 GHz that can be overclocked to achieve faster speeds. It should be enough to run all your latest AAA titles at maximum settings. All components are on the motherboard, with the A320M chipset, which is one of the latest chipsets on the current generation. The onboard 1TB hard drive at 7200 RPM will give you enough storage space to put all your favorite games together. The computer is ready for Wi-Fi, and no bloatware is installed. 8 GB of DDR4 memory ensures that you will not find problems when working with multiple apps and software at the same time. The entire motherboard and all other components of the computer system are powered by 80+ certified 500-watt power supply. The computer is also pre-installed with an original Windows 10 Home 64-bit operating system. Another great gift for gamers is the mouse and keyboard for the games that come with this pre-built computer. You also receive a 1-year warranty on parts and lifetime technical support in the United States. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best gaming PCs under $1,000 in 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.